Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning English with Mr. Habas. Today I'm going to be talking about the indefinite articles a and an. So what is the difference between a and an and when we use them in English? So let's get started. Many people use a before consonant and use an before vowel. For example, I have a dog. I ate an apple. I am a teacher. He is an engineer. Well, this is correct 99%. But if we want to make it 100% accurate, we have to be careful a little bit. So, we use a before consonant sound, and we use an before vowel sound. So what's important is the sound, not the letter that follows a or an. Let's see how in these two examples. A female sheep is a U. So here, this word begins with E vowel with a Y sound. So here, the sound is Y. A U. Okay? That's why we add a, not an. Very nice. The second one here. I will see you in an hour. An hour. Why? This word begins with consonant, yes, letter, with an O sound, okay? An O sound. And of course, the H here is silent. So, I will see you in an hour. An hour. Very nice. Okay. I have here 4 sentences. Let's complete them with a or an. Okay? The first one. I ate, what do you think? A or an orange?
I ate an orange.
Why?
Because the word orange begins with a vowel sound.
Very nice. Vowel sound. Yes. So the answer here is an orange. Very nice. The second one here. Jack is, what do you think? A or an honest man?
Jack is an honest man.
Why did you choose an?
Because honest begins with a vowel sound and it's also a silent H.
Very nice. So here the sound is O sound. H is silent. So the answer is an. Yes, very nice. Number 3, she needs, what do you think? A or an pen to write with?
She needs a pen to write with.
Why?
Because the word pen begins with a consonant sound.
Consonant sound. Very nice. So the answer is A. Okay. The last one here, I have, what do you think? A euro or an euro?
I have a euro.
Yes, why?
Because the word euro begins with a consonant sound.
Very nice. So the answer here is a euro. This word begins with vowel E. Yes, vowel. With the sound, yes, Y sound. Okay? Very nice. Okay? Very nice. I hope this video will be helpful for everyone, and I hope it clarify the difference between a and an, the indefinite articles. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you.